Alright guys, so today on Shred the Gnar we're gonna be bike checking my dad's 2018 Santa Cruz Chameleon D. It is a mid-range hardtail. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this frame is an aluminum frame, and it's pretty nice welds here. And this is a size medium frame, and we got it on the Pros Closet for about, I believe, $1,200, and I think it retails for like $1,700 to $1,800, but I'm not sure. So first part is the SRAM 1x11 drivetrain. Next is the forks. It is a RockShox Recon RL. Pretty decent forks, but it makes some sound. Alright guys, so the fork has 120 millimeters of travel, which is almost 5 inches. SRAM level T disc brakes. Rear derailleur is a SRAM NX, which is their mid to low derailleurs, I think. And let's see, crankset is a race face effect alloy 30 tooth 175 millimeter. Cassette is a SRAM XG 1150 11 speed 10 to 40 tooth cassette. So the highest ring is a 42 tooth, which is pretty decent gear ratio for climbing and pretty good for downhill. Let's see. Chain is just a SRAM chain. It's really dirty right now. Handlebars are race face ride alloy 760 millimeters. The headset is a Cane Creek integrated headset, which is pretty cool because Cane Creek is obviously cool, obviously. And let's see, the stem is a. It's just not race face. It says stem is a Cane Creek 350, but it has a race face logo on it, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, I think they might have switched that apart because we got this. It's technically like slightly used, but pretty much not used. Let's see, Cane Creek. Seat post is, well, actually this is not the same seat post, but the seat post is actually a race face. This is not the seat post. This is my friend's seat post, which, because we're going downhill mountain biking and he needs a seat that actually goes low because that seat is super long. And the seat, wait, no. The seat post is a race face alloy 31.6 millimeter. So that's why it doesn't fit. The saddle is supposedly a WTV Santa Cruz saddle. This is not the saddle, though. This is not the actual saddle that is on this bike. Alright guys, so this is actually the seat that comes with the Santa Cruz Chameleon. It is a WTV Santa Cruz, and then the race face seat post. So, yeah, pretty much it. Besides the front tires, the front tire, I don't know why I'm pointing at that. The front tire is a Maxxis Minion DHF, tubeless ready, and with the EXO casings, which makes it super strong and won't get like cut. These are great tires. And the back tire is a Crossmark 2, which is, I think it's a better back tire than a DHF would be. So that's why the DHF is the front. It's not as beefy as I would like, but I think my dad likes it fairly good. Tubeless ready as well, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and let me know if you want me to do another bike check on my mom's bike, which is also new. And we got these bikes so that we could ride together and stuff. So I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.